This video will walk you through understanding the module index page, duplicating modules, and removing, adding, or creating content in modules. We have learned modules are important for creating a flow for students to follow. Now it is time to understand what the module tool in Canvas is. Found on the navigational menu, the module tool is an organizational structure for the content of your course and, in our case, a route for students to follow to complete course material. It is important to know that whatever content listed in modules is simply a shortcut to the actual content. A shortcut in computing is a listing of the address of the content for ease of access. In fact, when you click on content in the module, we're brought to the content that lives on an index page of that content type. Look up at the breadcrumbs in your course to see where you are. In this case, we're on a page. But if it was an assignment, we would be in assignments, quizzes for quizzes, and so on. We still have the modular functioning because of the next navigation found at the bottom right, so students can move sequentially through the content. The most important understanding of modules is this: the material presented in modules are merely shortcuts. Removing the shortcut does not delete the content. To delete content in a course, you must go to the content's respective index page. Canvas uses different language in the module index page and the other index pages for this reason. In modules, you can remove content, whereas in the content index page, you can delete it. That is also why on this module index page, you can delete the module by clicking on the three-dot menu to the right of the title. And then even when deleting an entire module, you don't actually delete its content, simply the shell of the module. The content remains there in the content index pages for you to add to other modules later on. The second most important thing to understand about modules is that they are like an on-off switch to the rest of the content listed in the module. If the module is unpublished, students will not be able to access any of the content within the module, even if it is linked in other areas such as the to-do list on the home page. Once you have completed one module, you can easily duplicate the module as long as you do not have a quiz in the module. Quizzes do not duplicate, so if you have a quiz in your module, remove it using the three-dot menu to the right of the title and then add it back once you have created the duplicate. Select the three-dot menu to the right of the title of the module and choose Duplicate. Edit the title of the module you just created by clicking on the three-dot menu parallel to the title and choosing Edit. Select Update Module to continue. Notice all the content from your module has been duplicated with copy after the name. Canvas duplicates in the unpublished state, so you do not have to worry about students seeing the content yet if your course is unpublished. When you click on each duplicated material, you are taken to its home in its respective index page, and you can edit the content to match this next module. To add content to a module, you click on the plus button to the right of the title of the module. Select the type of content you wish to add from the drop-down. In this example, we're getting a quiz. Find the quiz and choose Add Item. You can also create content shells within your course using modules the same way. In this second module, if we want a quiz there too, I can click the plus button, select Quiz from the drop-down, choose New Quiz. Adding a quiz this way is simply creating a shell for the quiz, and a shortcut to it for modules. Give the quiz a name and choose Add Item. Click on the title of the quiz to go to its content page where we can edit it. To delete it, we would have to go to its index page in Quizzes. The key takeaways from this video are: a module is an organizational structure of shortcuts for your course. A module can be considered an on-off switch for other published content in your course. If the module is unpublished, students will not be able to access the content inside, regardless of where they try to access it from. When you remove content from a module, you're only removing the shortcut to the module. You must delete content from its respective index page. Finally, you cannot duplicate a module with a quiz inside because quizzes cannot be duplicated. Thank you for watching this video. For follow-up questions and concerns, please complete the Request for Assistance form at ctla.cgc.edu/help.